Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video, and I'm on my little OBS recording studio thingy majig here. It makes life so much quicker. I could just quickly do videos all day long like this, so excuse the screen if it's not 1080p. I'm just getting this sort of under control. Anyway, without further ado, this is the craziest thing now. I've just been doing Cubase tutorial videos, right, for you guys. Now, this video's going to get a copyright strike as well, yeah. Now, I've made this beat here, I've made this beat here, which is in a tutorial, which forthcoming tutorial that I did recently. You guys, or forthcoming, whatever. And I've made this beat. Oh, sorry, no, it was another one. It was another one anyway. You'll see it anyway. But anyway, I'm making live Cubase tutorials. Cubase 10. You can see it's a live beat there that I'm creating. Next thing you know, I upload the video just to test the quality because I wanted to see if it was going to have 1080p or 720, which is 720, which is acceptable for now. And I get a copyright claim, from Triple Vision record distribution, saying that their algorithm or whatever it is, YouTube's algorithm, their algorithm, whatever, listening, whatever, Spotify, ear-hole, flipping crap, whatever you want to call it, has detected my original mess about tutorial beat that I've done live in the video for XLT's original Machinecode and The Sect. So I thought, let me just have a listen to this tune. And it turns out I'm not gonna go and play it. You guys can go and play it. I'll put a link in the video if you like. The only resemblance to my track is the fact that it's got a bright sounding amen. And the algorithm has picked this up as, oh, this is Machinecode The Sect. But these algorithms are a pain in the arse, because your tune could get striked as a copyright tune. Now, what that means is that even though YouTube pay peanuts for their content, if you're not doing millions of views, it's pennies. But the fact of the matter is, if I did a video, let's say for example, and it's got 500k views, I wouldn't make any money out of this. These people would make money for me doing original videos, which is sad, really. You know, I get this a lot. Sometimes I'm doing a DJ mix, and like as you mix, the algorithm picks up someone else's song that's not even that song, and you have to go to the claimant dispute the copyright claim, and it's backwards and forwards. And to be fair, I know it's out of principle I should be claiming for this sort of thing and just saying, listen man, what's going on, disputing the claim. But it just seems like a never-ending thing. And I think, like, as much as we're trying to copyright and protect people's intellectual property rights, you know, I wonder if these guys actually even do get any revenue from these companies, and other companies just pocketing their money. Who knows what's going on? But is it really worth it? It's causing, there's a positive side to it where, yeah, you get paid for every time someone uploads your tunes onto YouTube. You know, I understand if you're an artist that you know, got millions, if you're like Jay-Z or someone like that, yeah, I understand that, yeah. But if you're just a budding artist trying to get some plays and need every penny you can get doing whatever, you're 30-40 quid a month doing your videos, I think this is a little bit harsh. But yeah, I'd like to know your views, people, on this kind of thing. Has this ever affected you guys in any way? Have you guys ever had an account struck and taken down for copyrights that were not to do with you? Or maybe you just like to upload people's tunes and do them a favour, and next thing you're getting a copyright strike. I want to know what you guys think of this whole system here, and if you've had any run-ins with this particular distribution company, or if anyone knows them, can you reach out to them? Does anyone know the man sitting behind the desk with a cigar? You know, can you talk to him? Who knows? Let me know your views, people. That's it for today's video. Take care. God bless. Peace.